After spending a fantastic week exploring the food and sights in Hanoi, we decided to rent a motorbike from Mr. Fung and drive to the province of Ninh Binh. Even though it is only 2 hours away from Hanoi, we felt completely transported to the countryside of northern Vietnam. We'll take you on an epic journey through the endless rice fields, the tall limestone mountains, and also enjoy a scenic boat ride in the Red River Delta. Come discover Ninh Binh with us. Good morning. We have now left Hanoi and we are in the beautiful countryside in a small town called Tam Coc. We're just having breakfast at our hotel. We're staying at this cute little boutique hotel called Liberty Hall, and it overlooks the rice fields. The views here are incredible. We are staying here for 2 nights. We already had a really nice sleep last night. The room is simple, but it's like clean and it's comfortable, and they also have this cute rooftop bar, rooftop patio. It's not very busy here at the moment in the town, so we kind of just sat up there and chilled by ourselves last night, which is nice. So today we have some simple breakfast, but delicious. Some fruit, some eggs, some toast. Note also got some pho, and of course, Vietnamese coffee, and that will get us fueled up for our boat trip this afternoon.
I have a question. How do you say Tam Coc Vietnamese way?
Tam Coc.
Tam Coc.
Yeah, Tam Coc.
And Ninh Binh.
Ninh Binh.
Ninh Binh.
Ninh Binh.
Okay.
Ninh Binh. Tam Coc, Ninh Binh.
You know how to say it correctly now?
Tam Coc, Ninh Binh.
Tam Coc, Ninh Binh. Yes, right.
Ready?
Ready.
Hop on.
Wow. Just love the rice fields.
The air is so fresh here.
So where we're going is called the Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex, and it's around 12 minutes from here.
So do it to the left or right?
You turn left out there.
Okay. You see a bunch of goats along the street?
Yeah.
This town is actually known for goat meat. We haven't tried it yet, and I don't think we're gonna try it.
I don't think so. I'm very happy with the beef. In Thailand, we actually didn't eat much beef because it wasn't that great. But here we've been choosing beef over chicken a lot.
Yeah, surprisingly, the beef here is quite nice. Just get a traditional Vietnamese hat. How much are these ones?
50,000.
50,000, which is close to $2. Oh, look, inside is quite nice.
Very nice. This one a bit too feminine for you?
I don't think so. This looks good. Man, we look like real tourists, aren't we? I think we can get them cheaper outside, but because we're in like a tourist spot.
Yeah, but it's okay.
It's $2
I think
each.
this is going to be actually perfect because look at the coverage. It's way better than just like a baseball cap.
No more sun damage.
This looks pretty epic.
I'm so excited.
This is more developed than I thought it would be, but it kind of makes a little sense because this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So I think they've invested some money into developing this place as a tourism site.
Oh, those are the boats. There's quite a few boats going already. Should I buy ticket here?
Yeah.
Okay. How much is it?
250,000 one person.
Choose one.
Only one of 3 route. Route 1 9 cap, 4 cap and 3 cap. Long cap 1 kilometer.
Ticket.
Thank you.
Đấy, vậy đây đúng rồi. Đấy, đúng của mình. Đấy, cô vẫy khách của cô mà đi xì luôn.
So that was a little chaotic back there, so I'll explain what happens. You have to choose the route you want to do, and there were 3 different ones. One with more caves and less nature, one with a good mix of nature and caves, which is what we chose, number 2. And number 3 has the longest cave, which is 1 kilometer long. One ticket was 250,000 per person, but they will make you wait until there's 4 people before they go. So we didn't really want to wait. We decided to take a boat off for ourselves, so we paid 1 million dong for our private
Which is only $44.
private boat and our lady. Hello. Xin chào. Are we supposed to help paddle? Because
Oh, there's extra
Yeah.
paddles here.
yeah, other people are helping.
Hello. Oh.
Here you go.
I don't think I'm helping. Oh, I think we're going through the cave.
Looks like
Oh,
we're
look.
going through our first cave. Oh, cool. That's the bird, I guess, the name of the bird.
This is not man-made, right? It's real, right?
What does it feel like?
It's real. Beautiful.
Wow. Oh, look. Over there.
Temple?
Wow.
Cao Sơn Temple. Cao Sơn Temple.
It looks like we get off the boat over here and walk around this temple a little bit. It's super cool because you're just surrounded by these limestone mountains.
You know what this place reminds me of?
What?
Shang-Chi. You know the fighting scene where they were fighting the dragon? This is like Shang-Chi movie set.
That's true, it does have that vibe to it. So they actually mentioned this temple in the guide. It is a small temple dedicated to Tan Chao Son, a national hero who would merit teaching the local people irrigation management to boost agricultural development. So it is more like a temple dedicated to him and not like an ancient temple that's been here for centuries and centuries. That's
So
why
it's fairly new then.
Yeah, I would think so. So we're back on the boat now, and I think we're headed towards that cave over there. I saw some boats before us go through there, and it looks super low and super tiny. Wow, this is really cool. I quite enjoy the cave part of this though because it's so cool in here.
Đại bàng.
Nắc bàn.
Đại bàng đấy. Trên núi mà, trên núi cao.
She said something like kiss? Yeah. What is it? It looks like some.
What is it?
Kissing? There's definitely like a language barrier. Like I wish we could understand everything she's saying because she seems to be trying to point out all the interesting things, but we're just guessing.
Chuông đấy. Chuông đấy.
Throw the rocks to the bell. Am I getting it right? That's the bell?
Hello. Chim đại bàng. Đấy.
It looks like a bell?
Đại bàng, đại bàng.
I'm not sure.
Chim
Kiss.
Kiss the bell.
đại bàng.
Oh my god, we're playing charades here.
Hello.
Bird.
Bird.
2 birds kissing.
Chim. chim bay bay bay.
That's what she made.
Like the mountains, the form of the mountains looks like two birds kissing.
Yeah.
Oh!
Vàng.
I don't see it.
It's so cute because she's always like, hello,
Thánh
hello,
hello.
hello.
Hàng Thánh Trượt.
Next cape, 320 meters. This is gonna be the longest one so far. Whoa. Okay, this one. Oh, you gotta watch your head. Totally makes sense why they added the lights in here because how would you maneuver around like that? It's so crazy.
You would leave the cave with blood all over your face.
Wow, they must be so strong, paddling like this for hours.
She's taking like short strokes, but the boats are going pretty fast. Nam Ho Chi Minh,
Ok.
Vietnam Ho Chi Minh.
Chí Minh. Hanoi. Hello, hello. Bàn tay. Hello, hello, hello. Bàn tay King Kong Island.
King Kong Island.
Oh, I guess it kind of looks like it. Doesn't it look like King Kong to you? Like the face?
Yeah, because the eyes,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Bàn tay King
Oh,
Kong
that's
Island.
cool.
That's probably not the best first question to ask a woman, you know that?
No, in Asia it's okay. She looks strong.
60 tuổi rồi.
60.
Ok.
Wow.
You're very strong.
We're strong.
Number one.
And number one.
Có bao nhiêu chuyến đi mỗi ngày?
Một tuần 2 chuyến.
Twice a week. Good. That's not bad. That's not bad. She would just say something and we're like, okay, okay. We have no idea what she said.
She was pointing that way, so I think she's going to pick us up on that side.
Oh, you might be right.
Yeah, because now she's gone.
If you want to be picked up, you have to go to the entrance of the temple.
Okay.
Don't come back here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Same for us.
Thank you. I quite like getting off the boat though,
Yeah.
because it gives you a little bit of a chance to stretch your legs, or else you're just sitting in that boat for 3 hours.
So peaceful.
So I was getting a bit nervous because I needed to go to the washroom. Good thing that there are toilets at the temple stops. And there's also a little kiosk, so we'll grab some water. Xin chào.
One water, please. Two water, please. 20?
Thank you.
How much is coconut?
40.
40. One coconut, please.
10.000 lạng.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nice
so
and
good.
cold.
We'll give Our Lady one of these then. Okay, let's go back to the boat. Have more caves and temples to see.
Wow.
Em năm nay bao nhiêu tuổi?
There's no connection. I can't communicate.
Oh no.
No reception. No internet. I want to know what she said.
I assume it's another site we're coming upon?
No, it sounds like, where are you from? You look really handsome.
Oh.
I think that's what she said, but I just want to, confirm it on
Hai
Google
em đẹp
Translate.
trai quá.
See? Handsome.
Hai bạn đẹp trai.
I'm handsome.
Đẹp trai, xinh gái.
Handsome and beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah! See? See?
Oh my
Ah.
Xinh
goodness.
gái quá.
So handsome. Oh yeah.
I guess that's the trick now to when you don't know how to talk to each other, just assume the best.
Too handsome.
Không trời,
Oh yes.
không trời đấy.
Oh, hole.
Không trời đấy.
There's a hole in the mountain.
Remember when we used to do dragon boat racing in Calgary?
Yeah, that was intense.
So intense.
You remember the stroke? Like this. Oh man.
It's pretty hard work for her to be rowing for 3 hours, but it is nice that it's rowboats and not motorboats because it leaves this area sounding so peaceful and quiet, which is really, really nice. I think we are heading back to the entrance now. Do you have any final thoughts about this boat tour?
I think it's quite pleasant. I mean, like, it's only what, $11 per person to do the tour. I think it's totally worth it if you come to Ninh Binh.
I agree. It's worth it to come for a visit. It's just so beautiful to see the mountains, to be in this peaceful environment, and to experience rural Vietnam and support local tourism.
Oh, they electrocuted the fish. He has like a battery strapped to his back, and the wire connects to the end of the net, and the net made of like copper.
I've never seen that before. Have you seen that before?
Yeah.
Do they do that in Thailand?
And it would shock the fish, and they would float to the surface, and he just scoop it up.
How romantic! A sunset bike ride!
Oh, the sun is setting, guys. Wow.
We are so glad we drove down to Ninh Binh from Hanoi to experience more of Vietnam's countryside. We hope you enjoyed the boat tour of Trang An today, and tomorrow we'll be exploring more of this area, which is called Tam Coc. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. We will see you in the next one.
And we will send you off with a beautiful sunset here in Tam Coc.
Bloopers! Are these man-made or are they like old? Because they look pretty new, to be honest.
Like either if they're old or new, they would still be man-made.
Khó lắm, khó lắm.
Yeah, she said muscles look small. We're starting to understand what she's saying. Thank you so much.